Hi there. Welcome to this lesson on understanding data centers, AWS regions, and availability zones. These are the building blocks of AWS's global infrastructure, and today we'll break them down in a way that's simple, relatable, and easy to understand. Let's start with the basics. What is a data center? Imagine a massive warehouse filled with rows upon rows of servers, cooling systems, power backups, and networking equipment. This is a data center, a facility that houses the physical infrastructure needed to store and process data. Think of it as the heart of the internet, powering everything from your favorite apps to global business operations. Now, why are data centers needed? Every time you stream a video, send an email, or load a website, data is being processed and stored somewhere. Without data centers, these services wouldn't exist. They ensure data is stored securely, applications run smoothly, and information is available whenever and wherever it's needed. But AWS doesn't just have a single data center, it has an entire global network of them. And that's where AWS regions and availability zones, or AZs, come into play. AWS regions are large geographical areas, each containing multiple data centers. Think of a region as a city like Lagos, Nairobi, New York, London, or Tokyo, where AWS operates its infrastructure. These regions are strategically placed around the world to ensure high availability, low latency, and compliance with local regulations. Why is this important? Let's say you're running a business in Africa and most of your customers are there. By deploying your application in an AWS region like Cape Town in South Africa, you ensure faster access for your users because the data doesn't have to travel halfway around the world to somewhere like California. Regions are also critical for compliance. Many organizations are required to keep their data within specific geographic boundaries. AWS regions make it possible to meet these requirements while leveraging cloud services. Now let's zoom in. Each region is divided into multiple availability zones, or AZs. These are separate, isolated data centers within the same region. Think of AZs as neighborhoods within a city. While they're close enough to work together, they're far enough apart to ensure that a problem in one doesn't affect the others. Why does this matter? Let's consider a real-world example. Imagine you're running a popular e-commerce site. If you deploy your application across multiple AZs and one AZ experiences a power outage, your website can still run from the other AZs. This redundancy ensures high availability, keeping your business online even during unexpected events. Regions and AZs are designed to work hand in hand. AWS connects AZs within a region using high-speed, low-latency networks. This allows you to distribute your resources across AZs for fault tolerance while maintaining seamless communication between them. For example, imagine you're deploying a web application across multiple availability zones for high availability and fault tolerance. In Availability Zone 1, we deploy Web Server 1 and the primary database, which stores all the critical application data. In Availability Zone 2, we deploy Web Server 2, providing redundancy so that if Web Server 1 goes down, traffic can seamlessly shift here. We also host a read replica database in this AZ, allowing faster read operations and acting as a backup in case the primary database becomes unavailable. In Availability Zone 3, we maintain a backup system, ensuring that even if there's a major failure, we can recover and restore our application data. To ensure efficient traffic distribution, we introduce a load balancer at the regional level. The load balancer sits in front of both AZ1 and AZ2, intelligently directing incoming web requests to whichever web server is available. This prevents overload on a single server and ensures smooth performance even if one AZ experiences issues. By structuring our application this way, we achieve fault tolerance, scalability, and high availability, ensuring users always have access to our services no matter what happens. Let's use an analogy to make this even clearer. Think of AWS regions and availability zones as the logistics network of an online retailer like Jumia. Regions are like Jumia's warehouses located in different cities across Africa, such as Lagos, Nairobi, and Johannesburg. Each warehouse ensures that products are stored closer to customers in that region, reducing delivery time. Availability zones are like multiple independent warehouses within the same city. Each warehouse is fully operational on its own, with its own staff, power supply, and resources. If one warehouse experiences a power outage or system failure, the others continue running smoothly, ensuring no disruption to deliveries. By structuring logistics this way, Jumia ensures high reliability and fast order fulfillment, just as AWS regions and AZs provide fault tolerance, scalability, and resilience, keeping applications available even if one AZ goes down. This combination of global reach and local resilience is what makes AWS so powerful. In summary, data centers form the backbone of the cloud, storing and processing the data that powers our digital world. AWS builds on this foundation with regions and availability zones, providing a global network that ensures reliability, performance, and compliance. By leveraging regions and availability zones, you can build applications that are fast, scalable, and resilient to failures. This is a key concept in AWS architecture and a crucial part of the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.